Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Free Life. All about off-grid living, alternative energy, and prepping. So I've had some people ask me how to get biochar without having a gasifier. That's actually really easy. So I figured I'd make a video real quick and show you exactly how to just make you some biochar. And then I'll make another video showing you what you can do with that biochar in relevance to using it as a fertilizer, things like that. So let's get it going. First thing we're gonna need is an airtight metal container. So I'm gonna take this old Valspar paint, and obviously you can't just pour it on the ground. So I'll find me a container, empty that out, clean it out, and we'll use this to make our biochar in. After you got your metal canister emptied out, cleaned out, label pulled off, I'm gonna put some acetone in here, finish cleaning all that out. Make sure it's nice and clean before I get going, but of course I'm not going to use this biochar for anything except for a demonstration, so I really don't care. But as you can see, the color of my paint changed from what I drained because I didn't realize the other can was aluminum until after I drained it. So that's not going to work. That'll melt really quickly in the fire. So the next move is we're going to drill some holes in the bottom here so that as this is in there heating up, as that wood gas is releasing, we'll put the holes toward the bottom of the fire, so that wood gas will go through those holes and just act as more fuel for the fire to keep it burning hotter. All right, we just need a couple holes in the bottom, just enough to let that wood gas out. Not too many holes, not too big of holes, because you don't want that flame burning in there. Now we're going to take us some wood blocks, drop them right down on in there, then let's put the lid on. All right, we got the lid tacked down on there now. Let's go out here and get ready to make some biochar. Remember guys, I left some paint and stuff on there. I didn't clean it all too much because I'm just doing this as a demonstration. But if you're really going to use the biochar, make sure you don't use anything that's got paint or any kind of chemicals or anything like that in it. You want a nice clean container, but this will work for this. So I'm just going to use this old smoker build that has been abandoned as of right now. My cousin was making this some time ago, but anyway, I'm going to use this. So just line it up with wood. A lot of wood underneath it, line up wood, leave a spot in the middle for that can to go in, and then we're going to fire that up. We're going to make sure that we got it burning all the way around it the whole time. Be sure to place the holes down because that's for that wood gas to release to, and it'll go straight into that burn and help keep it burning up. Now we'll fire this up. Alright, so I just pulled this T-bone steak off the grill. Still just a little bit warm. So let it cool down, just a little bit more. We'll open that on up. Looks like a pretty good biochar there. Oh yeah. Comes out almost like glass, weighs almost nothing. Shiny, silver, just crumbles apart. Nice biochar. A lot of different things we can do with it, but that is the easiest way to make biochar at home. Super shiny. So that, my friends, is by far the easiest way to make biochar. Now that was just a little real small paint container, so obviously scale it up. Use like a 55-gallon drum barrel with like a 30-gallon drum barrel inside of that, and just line your wood around the sides of that so you can burn it even all the way around. But that's about a 2-hour cook out there on that in the fire to get that nice good biochar. So yeah, on the next video I'll go ahead and show you what we can do with biochar. There's lots of things that you can do with it. So anyway, if you want to learn how to make a gasifier for free energy, that'll be in the description below, a link to my video to do that. Or if you want to learn how to make a generator, homemade generator out of a lawnmower, that description will be, or that link will be in the description below as well. Micro wood chipper build that I did, again, will be in the description. Several other things. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and leave me some comments. If you want me to make anything, just put it in the comments. I'll make it. Have a good one.